In a heart-stopping scene amid Los Angeles' intense flooding, a man's attempt to rescue his dog from the Pacoima Wash led to a daring helicopter rescue. Firefighters responding to the perilous situation executed a dramatic airlift, plucking the man from the surging waters below. Reuters reports the dog swam safely to shore. Los Angeles faces severe flooding amid one of the city's top 3 wettest storm systems in recorded history, as per the National Weather Service.